Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you did hide some posts from your timeline on Facebook, and now you're wondering how can you bring those posts back and basically unhide those posts from your timeline on Facebook. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Now if you start by opening the Facebook application and you try to do that from here, I will save up the time for you and tell you that there is no option to do it from the Facebook application, but you can do that from the Facebook website. So let's go ahead and open your Play Store and head out to facebook.com. Of course, you have to log into your account there and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open your menu. From your menu, we need to go to settings. So scroll down and tap on settings and privacy right here. From this list right under it, tap on settings, the first option right there. So of course, once you go to settings, we need to scroll down and find an option that says activity log. Go ahead and tap on activity log right here. You'll be taken to this page. You need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you find an option that says logged actions and other activity. Tap on the button that is under it that says view logged actions. It will take some seconds to load up, so wait for it. And once it fully loads up, from here we need to do something. We need to tap on filters in the top left part of the screen right here. Now from there, tap on categories in the bottom and choose the hidden posts category right here, hidden from profile. Wait for a couple of seconds and here you find every single post that you have ever hid from your profile or from your timeline. To bring it back, tap on the three dots right next to it and then tap on show on timeline, and that is basically how can you unhide every single post that you have ever hidden on Facebook. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.